Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Thunderbird email with Gmail. In order to do so, here we are at thunderbird.net, and if you're unfamiliar with Thunderbird, it is an open source alternative to other email platforms. So for example, like Gmail, which is owned by Google. If you're somebody who is interested in trying to get away from something like Google, then you might want to consider Thunderbird as an alternative. You can come here to the site, you can download it and start your account, and we'll just go through the homepage here just to give you an idea of what you're getting yourself into. So freedom from chaos, waste less time finding browser tabs, access all your messages, calendars, and contacts in one fast app. You could see here an example of what Thunderbird looks like. Not too unfamiliar if you're Gmail or Outlook or any other number of email platforms. It's not too different from that. And you do have a calendar. You can see here all the emails that you have access to. So pretty standard as far as emails go, and a nice clean interface. I quite like it. We can go here and see freedom from manipulation. Our agenda isn't hidden. It's to make the world better. Thunderbird is funded by user donations. We don't collect personal data, sell ads in your inbox, or secretly train AI with your private conversations. Thunderbird is open source. It's part of the Mozilla family. So if you're a fan of Mozilla Firefox, then you might want to consider Thunderbird as an alternative for your email. And we'll just scroll down a bit here. So we've got a unified inbox. That's not something that is entirely uncommon, but if that's something that's important to you, in unified inbox, you have all of your different accounts showing up in the same inbox, so you don't have to toggle between them. And the other thing here is, if privacy is important to you, and also if open source is important to you, then you might want to consider Thunderbird. And if you're trying to get away from something like Gmail or Outlook or something like that, then Thunderbird might be the way to go. So we'll just scroll down a little bit further. So we also have the Thunderbird mobile app. So you can rest assured that not only are you going to get that access to that on your desktop, but you can also download their app as well. So that's all to give you a general idea of what you can expect with Thunderbird. So let's take a look at Gmail. And Gmail, we don't really need to introduce it too much. If you're unfamiliar with Gmail, well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know where you've been, but Gmail is almost all-encompassing these days. Almost any platform that you go to is going to give you the option to sign in with Google with your Gmail. And, it's kind of something that most people use. There's certainly some people who still are using other platforms, but if you don't have a Gmail account, I mean, that's kind of surprising, but it's certainly something that for many people, not using something like Gmail might be something important to you. If you want to stay away from the big tech companies like Google and whatnot, then this is where Thunderbird might be a good alternative for you. But if you're just looking for something simple, something straightforward, something that integrates with many different websites and makes it easier for you to sign in, and you don't have to put in your password necessarily all the time, keeps you connected, then you might want to consider Gmail. Now, the downside with Gmail and the concern that many people might have, and the reason why people might go with something like Thunderbird, is because of privacy and because the potential for taking your data, your personal data through your conversations and whatnot, and using that to send that to advertisers, to even train AI. If all of that stuff is important to you to keep that away from the big tech companies like Google, then this is where you might want to consider Thunderbird. But if you're not too concerned about that and you just want ease of access, you want to make your life easier to log into this or that or the other platform, then Gmail might be perfect for you and might be the way to go. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.